Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have two popular robot vacuum cleaners going head-to-head, the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner and the iRobot Roomba combo. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner is priced at $199, while the iRobot Roomba combo comes in at $349. It's clear that the Lefant offers a more budget-friendly option. However, keep in mind that the Roomba combo offers additional features that might justify the higher price. Both these robot vacuum cleaners excel in cleaning performance. The Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner features a strong digital motor with a unique brushless suction port, ensuring efficient cleaning without entangling pet hair. It also offers 6 different cleaning modes to suit your needs. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba combo boasts a 4-stage cleaning system with dual multi-surface rubber brushes that adjust to different floor types. It even has a wet mopping feature, allowing you to simultaneously vacuum and mop your hard floors. Plus, it comes with a specialized microfiber mop pad for optimal performance. When it comes to smart features, both these robot vacuum cleaners have a lot to offer. The Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner can be controlled through the Lefant app, allowing you to schedule cleanings, adjust suction power, and even give voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant. Similarly, the iRobot Roomba combo is compatible with Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant-enabled devices, giving you the convenience of controlling it with voice commands. It also creates an imprint smart map of your home, allowing you to direct it to clean specific rooms whenever you want. Battery life is an important factor to consider, especially for robot vacuum cleaners. The Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner utilizes lithium iron phosphate batteries, providing up to 120 minutes of runtime. However, it's worth noting that this is in low suction running mode. Meanwhile, the iRobot Roomba combo offers a decent battery life as well, but doesn't specify the exact duration. However, it's compatible with the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal, which means you can enjoy up to 60 days of worry-free vacuuming without needing to empty the bin. Based on online reviews, here's the overall assessment of the two robot vacuum cleaners. And there you have it. We've compared the Lefant Robot Vacuum Cleaner and the iRobot Roomba combo in various categories. While the Lefant offers a more affordable option, the Roomba combo comes with additional features like wet mopping and compatibility with the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal. Remember, the right choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Stay smart and happy shopping.